Mercedes-Benz AMG by Majorette Unboxing! Ha! Hello guys, it's Wilson channel and it's unboxing of beautiful yellow Mercedes AMG GT. Let's start unboxing. It's my working place for my diorama that I still didn't finish. Oh, okay. Oh. Let's start opening it. Up, up, up. Open Gangnam style. Up. Oh. Oh! This is wonderful, guys. This is so. This glossy paint. A very detailed Mercedes. A very. Oh, it feels like somebody just fully polishing this car by nano suspension. Amazing. Okay, the very nice detailed Mercedes-Benz with a nice headlamps, with a Mercedes logo, with opening door system. Open it, please. Open it. Let's start it. Do. Where is my tuning table? It was somehow there. I have a turntable for the cars, and I think I have just here is it. You just need to look on this beautiful yellow Mercedes-Benz. So wonderful Mercedes, really, guys. I didn't expect that this matchbox will be so wonderful, so interesting paint. Open door system without any decals, but wonderful wheels discs, wonderful backlights with a Mercedes logo on the back even. Black detailed interior. This car is awesome. That's all I want to say about this Mercedes. This car is awesome, guys. It's beautiful. It's Majorette. It's Mercedes-Benz. And it's beautiful. So amazing car. Really so amazing, so detailed. I very love Majorettes. And on the back of this car we can see numbers. There will be a produce number, made in Thailand, Mercedes AMG GT, ref number, and the date of the production 09/07/18. And of course, as always, Majorette have a suspension. I saw low when the manufacturer can make a suspension on the car, and that's why the Majorette running is so soft. A wonderful car. Let's check it on my demo track, but I didn't know it can do it or not. It's my experimental track. Come here. Let's turn this on. Let's try to start it. Okay. I think it's falling down. Okay. Attempt number 2. Nope. Because of suspension, I think that's because of its suspension, it's can't run on my experimental track. It's only can fly, guys. But this car is great for flying too. So wonderful model. I'm so much happy that I have this wonderful yellow Mercedes. This is amazing car, guys. This is really amazing car. Don't forget about reading. Write in the comments. I love to read your comments and answer on them. Please subscribe. Bye bye. See you later.